Another look at the live streaming webcam looking north from the mouth of the Brunswick River. And for Monday the 22nd of January, the first day back at school for Queenslanders, welcome to another update from the 4th 13th Australia Oceania Channel, where the tropical weather scene continues to develop. Severe weather warning remains in place, but it's been upgraded to include damaging winds, heavy rainfall for the Tiwi, Arnhem, Carpentaria, parts of the Daly regions. Active monsoon trough or low, causing very heavy rain over the top end, eastern Carpentaria district. Monsoon trough located near the base of the top end. Here's the area under warning, and it's definitely expanding out. A weak low is forming within the monsoon trough, and it's expected to remain slow moving over the next few days. Associated vigorous monsoonal flow causing heavy rainfall over the northern and eastern areas of the top end Northern Territory. Heavy rain may lead to flash flooding possible over the Tiwi Islands, the Arnhem, northeastern Carpentaria, far eastern Daly Districts, including down there in the Gulf, Groote Eylandt. And the heavy rain, flash flooding may extend into the northeastern Barkly district during Monday and will continue for the foreseeable future. We have a minor flood warning for the Catherine River, issued early this morning by the Northern Territory Bureau Office. Now here's the 12-hourly rainfall outlook by from the Bureau of Meteorology. Rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. There were 3 areas. The tropical North Queensland coast into the Gulf across the top end and down along the northwest northern WA coastline. And it's the intensity, the purple, pink, red. And we could see a tropical low forming offshore from Cairns Innisfail, and you can note the pink on the Bureau's rainfall images. The GFS precipitable water, and you can actually see the clockwise motion times 3. We also have a 1004 millibar low east-southeast of the Christmas Island. It can't make up its mind what it wants to do. Now here's the GFS. We look at pressure and wind in knots, and you can see that one to the north of Fraser Island. Whether it develops, time will tell. However, it's the one over there in Western Australia. It could get down to 9-11 millibars. Now here's another look at the NOAA floaters on the Invest 90P. And you can see the amount of convection, the flaring, and the white and black. And I think Invest 90 is offshore from Maria Island, southwest corner or southwest region of the Gulf, to the south of Groote Eylandt. Now we have a look at some tracks available on the Tropical Tidbits website. GEPS. We know that we've got a very active monsoon trough. Then the Himalaya 8, the satellite rainbow view. Upper level divergence, very healthy, around 60 knots over the Gulf of Carpentaria. Sea surface temperature anywhere up to 33, 34. Now here's a look at the wind shear. Red is unfavourable, yellow neutral, green favourable. The 24-hour deep layer wind shear. And the wind shear could actually be decreasing. The 850 millibar vorticity. And you can see the red southwest Gulf of Carpentaria. And a little bit of yellow to the east of Cairns. Now here's a look at instability from 10 AM today through till 1300 hours Tuesday. The latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide, and you can see the purple off the case from Cairns. Now we look at supercell probabilities out to 1300 hours Tuesday. And again, Force 13, Australia Oceania Channel will continue to bring updated information to our viewers. Storm probability, and as we head towards the Australia Day weekend, the celebrations on the Australia Day, we could have a tropical cyclone possibly to impact area Exmouth, WA. Tropical North Queensland coast, could we see a threat to at least Fraser Island? This is a view of the Bureau's radar. It was captured yesterday afternoon. Now we look at the GFS wind feature. All these images are 3 hourly periods, and this is out to 1300 hours tomorrow, and you can definitely see where the strongest winds are going to be. And what's the Bureau going to say via their tropical cyclone 3-day outlooks this afternoon? Now here's a look at the Himawari 8 satellite view of the southwest Australia's eastern regions. And a priority item is the rainfall, and the totals at the bottom of the screen. And the numbers in the black square represents pressure. Now we look at the GFS, total precipitation out to at least 384 hours. And the GFS is testing out a extended look. Anything up to 240 hours is advisable, but they've taken it out to 384 hours. And again, look at that area in yellow.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.